Big old box though. Here we go. Got that open. Oh, incoming. Gonna get the cut up here. Around here. Right, round. And one more snap. There we go. Take a door. Oh boy. Gonna cut down here. So there we go. I'm gonna have to give my Amazon deliveries maybe a Christmas gift or postman, at least something. Oh boy. There we go. What is this? What is this? What the heck? Awkward shaped box. Put you guys down for a second. This is totally different. Not sure what this is. Oh, alright. I remember they were supposed to send this. Oh, heavy. Oh, yeah. This is cool. Definitely on everyone's wish list. We got a Vizio 38-inch 2.1 soundbar system. Oh boy. It's so weird how it's boxed like this. Never seen it. Really cool. Here's the front. All cables included. Alright. We're gonna be rocking. Get the home theater set up now. Probably buy extra speakers that I could connect to. How do I open this thing? I put her on the ground like this. Bear with me. Do. Now I got Christmas music stuck in my head. Oh boy. So thank you, Vizio. Definitely YouTubers, check them out. They are on Amazon. And they got TVs you could get, monitors you could get, pretty much anything. There we go. A couple more. I gotta do some cutting on the side. But I think this is only one or two items. I got the subwoofer, remote control, and the soundbar. Oh yes. Here's some goodies that comes with it. Bluetooth streaming. I do believe for a 42-inch class TV. I think it doesn't matter what size you go up to. 40s and up. So I got a 51, I think. 51 inch or so. I don't know, that should work though. I'm pretty sure. Let's see why not. It wouldn't work. Oh, missed the tape aside. Alright. Just a few more steps. One small step for mankind. Here we go. There we go. Okay, here we go. Oh man. Pause, you guys hold on. Alrighty, that was fun. We had that. It's got a bada boom. Got everything out. Extra garbage. Make sure you stock up on these batteries. We got the manual. We don't need that right now. Here's the accessories in this box. We Got the Vizio. Oh, here's the sub. Wow. This thing is huge. That's what she said. Look at this. Oh boy, oh boy. Oy. Ah, she's heavy. Look at that big beast right here. Here's a little beast. But this beast will have a powerful punch. So, I'm going to definitely set it up. Show you guys how I set it up at the end. And do a live demo. So if you guys want to stay tuned, you can skip this part, fast forward. I'm not going to show the whole setup until the end. And I'll show you how easy it was. So bear with me. I'll be right back into the family room when it's all going to be nice and set up. But let's see if we could take a look at the accessories for a minute. Show you guys what those look like. But I still got to figure out how to set this up because this is my first one I'm using. So bear with me. And like I said, hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It's the weekend. Last weekend before Santa Claus comes down our chimney. And you guys could definitely get this before Christmas time. So if you add it to your cart right now, check it out. This will be shipped. We got the fumble. Oh, sweet. Comes with batteries. And like I said, I always grabbed a couple extras. AAA. Nice remote though. Get into that in a second. We got the what is it? Digital coax cable right here. Really cool. So that's for extra Xbox and stuff like that. PS4. You can hook up. I think Switch has it too, where you can hook it up. What are these mountain brackets? I like to mount this on the wall. I got a nice entertainment center. I could leave it on the edge. Here's all the goodies. This is what we need. The power. Probably for the soundbar and then for the woofer. Woof woof. There we go. Alright, alright. Never seen orange cables before. Amazon, maybe. I don't know. Interesting. It's always been red, yellow, white, blue. I've seen green, but never orange. I have to look into that. So, like I said, setup, I'm not going to show. See, these are the ones I'm used to. Not sure what these are for. But this is my first time ever doing this soundbar, so bear with me. Like I said, at the end, you can fast forward probably to like 10-minute mark. This will be all set up. So I'm going to unwrap that. It's like Christmas. Alright, so thank you, Vizio. It's be really cool. Sounds right here. So this must be speakers. Careful you don't puncture it. So I wouldn't take a knife to it. So it's soft here. Oh boy. Oh yeah, she's heavy. We got the back. Oh yeah. So there's all the good stuff goes. We got the power back here and all that good stuff. Nice. Got controls up here. Bluetooth. So you can hook up your phones, your Alexa and everything. You can hook her up.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alright. Relax, relax. But here we go. Now let's take a look at the mini subwoofer. Or, I'm not sure if it's mini, but holy moly. This thing's gonna be rocking. I just saw the Joker movie, so this will be really good. There's a lot of action movies. Look at this thing. I'm gonna find out a spot where I'm gonna put this, set it up. Boom. Boom. Power. Look at this. The sub right here. Oh yeah. Nicely made too. Nothing is running. No glue running. And they did a nice port on this box. Nice job, Vizio, with this one. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. So like I said, I'll be able to after the 10-minute mark where you could see the whole thing if you don't want to see this whole unboxing. But this is what it comes with. We got the Vizio 2.1 38-inch soundbar. Big guy right there. Those really cool. Now I gotta clean all this stuff up, set it up, and I'll be back, YouTube. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it all set up. I use the optical. A lot easier for me to set up because this Vizio TV is perfect. And didn't use the cables. I didn't use these guys. So it depends on what kind of TV style you have. But I'm gonna probably mount this later. But this thing makes TV fun again. Definitely check them out. They do have external speakers too you can buy for complete surround sound, but wait till you hear this. Like I said, I got the subwoofer over here, so you can hear it over here. Down. Sounds just like the movie theaters. I mean, for the price right now they got it going on. Definitely add it to your cart. Get it just before Christmas. Even on Christmas Day they'll deliver it probably. So all you gotta do is click the link. Check out the external speakers also. But this is the soundbar 2.1 38-inch Vizio. But like I said, really clear sound. One more time.
Hold on! Not over yet!
You can definitely feel the ground shake on this too, so I still got to do minor tweaking to it, but I mean, pretty much you can do it on the control, the treble, the bass, choose SHD. I think that's like, I'm not too sure to be honest. Like I said, this is my first time setting up a soundbar. Really easy to do. Like I said, I use optical cable that came with it up to my Vizio TV, and it works perfect. So like I said, it depends on your TV. You don't have to do too many settings to it. Just optical, and then on your input on your TV, you gotta have to switch it to like ARC or whatever it is on your TV settings. So really cool. Check them out one more time with the sound on. Definitely this will add a lot to it. It sounds amazing.
Oh, a brilliant one.
That's the new TV series Aeronauts.
sir.
There's nothing to see. I lost them when the storm passed over.
I would like a look all the same, sir. I won't steal it.
I didn't presume you would. You have an interest in the air?
Don't you wish to be up there with them?
No, it'd be an unnecessary weight.
So there you guys go. Check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good day.